The Rib Lake Historical Society website offers a search feature to help you find a document or picture that may be included in their collection. To use the search feature, there are a couple key things to know. I've made my pointer a little easier to see so that you can follow along. Once you're on the website, riblakehistory.com, it should look like this. You will scroll down the page. You'll notice the highlighted section here gives a little bit more information about how to use the search feature. We're going to scroll down just a little bit further. Now the document is located here in this PDF logo. You can download that depending on your internet connection. It might take a little while because it is a very large document. Another option is to pop the window out here by pushing this button. Today I'm going to show you downloading it. So we're going to select this with our mouse and then wait for it to download. I have a pretty good connection today, so it didn't take very long. Now you'll see this is the document containing all of the information. Each of these blue underlined sentences is a hyperlink to the document housed within the collection. If we're unsure of what exactly we want to look for, you can use the search function. And to do that, you'll push the control button on the bottom part of your keyboard that says CTRL and then the F key. You'll see that a bar is brought up here at the top, and that is your search bar. Today we're going to search for anything related to the library in Rib Lake or the surrounding area. So I just type in library. You'll see here that the number is changing, and that's showing me how many items are in the collection currently. And we'll wait for that to finish loading. Okay, so it looks like there are 62 items within the collection related to the library. You'll see the first one is highlighted here, and that's the abbreviation for the Rib Lake Public Library. We'll use the down arrow here to find the next thing. You can see that there's a picture for the public library, and that's not really what I'm looking for today. And there's another picture of the public library in 1950. We'll keep using the down arrow. An envelope with a stamp, the Library Commission. We'll keep looking one more time. So the next thing, this is really interesting in my opinion, is the Rib Lake Public Library Annual Statistical Report from 1918. When I'm searching through this and I have multiple things that I want to look at, I will often use the right arrow or the right button on my mouse to open that link in a new tab. This saves me from having to use the back button to go back to this page a lot. So I'm going to do that. It won't show up, the option won't show up on your screen, but if you use your right mouse button, a new little window should pop up and it'll say open link in new tab, and you click that, and that brings up the annual statistical report from 1918 of the Rib Lake Public Library. And hopefully this has what I'm looking for. If not, I can go right back over to the document that I downloaded. I can use the down arrow, and I can keep going until I find what I'm looking for. And I hope this is helpful to you in your search.